Let's face it, we live in a smartphone-dominated world. These pocket computers have become extensions of ourselves, essential for communication, work, entertainment, and even navigating our surroundings. We scroll through social media feeds, order food at 2 a.m., and even manage our finances, all with a few taps on a screen. But what if this dependence on smartphones were to disappear? Could a future without them be on the horizon? The very thought might seem unsettling to some. Our smartphones have become our primary point of access to the digital world, but the rapid evolution of technology suggests that change is inevitable. Emerging technologies like augmented reality and virtual reality offer tantalizing glimpses into a future where our interactions with technology could become even more seamless and immersive. The journey of mobile phones is a testament to relentless technological advancement. We've come a long way from the clunky, brick-like devices of the 1980s, whose sole purpose was voice calls. The introduction of text messaging, rudimentary games, and eventually internet access transformed these simple communication devices into multifaceted tools. Today's smartphones are essentially pocket-sized computers, boasting powerful processors, high-resolution displays, and advanced cameras. They have revolutionized communication, entertainment, and information access, fundamentally altering how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. However, Arkansas and VR stand poised to once again redefine our relationship with technology. Augmented reality and virtual reality are distinct yet interconnected technologies that blend the digital and physical worlds. AR overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing our perception of reality. Think Pokémon Go, where virtual creatures appear superimposed on your real-world surroundings through your smartphone camera. VR, on the other hand, creates fully immersive computer-generated environments. By wearing a VR headset, users are transported to entirely different worlds, ranging from fantastical game settings to realistic simulations used for training and education. Both technologies rely on a complex interplay of hardware and software, including sensors, cameras, and spatial mapping, to create these interactive experiences. Section 4. Reimagining reality, AR and VR applications in daily life. Imagine a world where you no longer need to glance at your smartphone to read a text message. Instead, the message pops up discreetly in your field of vision through sleek AR glasses. Or picture attending a meeting where geographically dispersed colleagues appear as life-sized holograms in your living room, thanks to the magic of VR. These are just a few examples of how AR and VR could revolutionize our daily lives. AR could transform how we navigate cities, shop for clothes, and even learn new skills, seamlessly integrating digital information into our physical surroundings. VR could create immersive educational experiences, allow us to virtually attend concerts on the other side of the world, and even change the way we collaborate on work projects, breaking down geographical barriers. Section 5. Tech titans place their bets. The race for a new reality. The potential of AR and VR has not gone unnoticed by tech giants like Meta, formerly Facebook, Apple, Google, and Microsoft. These companies are investing heavily in developing AR and VR hardware, software, and content, recognizing them as potentially transformative technologies. Meta's metaverse vision, for example, hinges on VR, with the company betting big on creating interconnected virtual worlds where people can socialize, work, and play. Apple, known for its sleek design and user-friendly interfaces, is rumored to be developing its own AR glasses, potentially aiming to seamlessly integrate AR into our daily routines. Section 6. Roadblocks on the information superhighway, challenges facing AR and VR. While the potential of AR and VR is undeniable, significant hurdles remain before these technologies can replace smartphones. Current AR and VR devices can be bulky, uncomfortable to wear for extended periods, and often come with a hefty price tag, limiting their widespread adoption. Battery life remains a major concern, with many devices requiring frequent charging, hindering their practicality for everyday use. Moreover, social acceptance is crucial. People may be hesitant to embrace a world where they are constantly interacting with digital overlays or wearing conspicuous headsets in public. Section 7. A future beyond the screen. Will AR and VR usurp the smartphone? The question of whether AR and VR will completely replace smartphones is complex. While these technologies offer a glimpse into a future where our interactions with the digital world are more immersive and intuitive, smartphones have become deeply ingrained in our lives. It's more likely that we'll see a gradual evolution rather than an abrupt shift. Smartphones might become more like centralized hubs, seamlessly connecting to our AR glasses and VR headsets. We might use our smartphones less for direct interaction with the digital world and more for managing the flow of information between different devices and platforms. Ultimately, the success of AR and VR will depend on their ability to seamlessly integrate into our lives, offering compelling experiences that enhance rather than disrupt our daily routines. Whether they completely replace smartphones or simply augment our existing digital interactions, one thing is certain: the way we connect with technology is on the cusp of a significant